Noah, what's the biggest gap between classroom English and real English?
Conversation skills. You can know grammar perfectly but freeze when someone talks to you.
Today, we're sharing a 10-minute daily conversation practice routine that builds real speaking confidence.
This isn't about memorizing phrases. It's about training your brain to respond naturally and quickly.
Let's break down the 10 minutes. Minutes 1 to 3, response speed training.
This exercise forces quick thinking. Ask yourself simple questions and answer immediately without planning.
What did you eat today? Answer instantly. I had eggs and toast.
What's the weather like? Quick answer. It's sunny and warm.
The goal isn't perfect grammar. The goal is reducing that pause between hearing a question and responding.
Native conversations move fast. If you take 10 seconds to answer, the conversation has moved on.
Minutes 4 to 6, opinion expression practice.
This builds deeper conversation skills. State opinions and explain reasons quickly.
Do you think social media is good or bad? Then explain your view for 30 seconds.
What's your favorite season and why? Express your preference with reasons.
Real conversations aren't just yes or no. They're opinions, reasons, examples.
Minutes 7 to 10, role play common situations.
Practice scenarios you'll actually encounter in real life.
Ordering at a restaurant. I'd like a coffee, please. Do you have any pastries?
Asking for directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Making small talk. Beautiful weather today, isn't it? Do you come here often?
These scripted scenarios build confidence for unscripted, real situations.
Now let's add variety with specific conversation topics for each day of the week.
Monday. Talk about your weekend. This weekend I enjoyed. Next weekend I want to.
Tuesday. Discuss current news or events. I read about, I think that. It's interesting because.
Wednesday. Share a personal story or memory. I remember when. It was funny because. I learned that.
Thursday. Describe your goals and plans. I'm working toward. My next step is. I hope to.
Friday. Express opinions on controversial topics. I believe. Some people disagree because. In my view.
Saturday. Review the week and reflect. This week I accomplished. I struggled with. Next week I'll.
Sunday. Free topic. Talk about anything you want for 10 minutes.
This variety prevents boredom and covers different conversation styles.
Let's discuss how to practice conversation when you're completely alone.
Strategy 1. Record yourself and play both roles.
Be person A, ask a question. Be person B, answer it. Back to person A, respond to the answer.
It feels silly at first, but creates realistic conversation patterns.
Strategy 2. Use AI conversation partners like ChatGPT voice mode or language apps.
Technology gives you a conversation partner available 24/7.
Strategy 3. Talk back to videos or podcasts.
When someone in a video asks a question, pause and answer out loud before they do.
Strategy 4. Phone yourself. Call your voicemail and leave messages in English.
This creates the feeling of real conversation pressure.
Now let's address why most conversation practice fails.
Failure reason 1. Practicing scripted dialogues instead of spontaneous speaking.
Memorized conversations don't prepare you for unpredictable, real conversations. You need to practice thinking and responding in real time, not reciting memorized lines.
Failure reason 2. Only practicing formal language.
Real conversations use contractions, casual words, fillers like and you know.
If you only practice textbook English, you'll sound unnatural.
Failure reason 3. Not practicing repair strategies.
What happens when you don't understand something? You need phrases for that.
Sorry, could you repeat that? I didn't catch what you said. What do you mean by... These phrases are essential for real conversation.
Let's share conversation shortcuts that make you sound more natural.
Shortcut 1, use contractions. I am becomes I'm. Do not becomes don't.
Native speakers almost always use contractions in conversation.
Shortcut 2, use response tokens. Uh-huh, yeah, right, I see, gotcha.
These small sounds show you're listening and engaged.
Shortcut 3, use discourse markers. So, well, anyway, by the way, actually.
These connect ideas and make speech flow naturally.
Shortcut 4, incomplete sentences are okay. Went to the store yesterday instead of I went to the store yesterday.
Natural speech isn't always grammatically complete.
Shortcut 5, use fillers while thinking. Let me see.
Silence while thinking is awkward. Fillers keep the conversation flowing.
Now let's create conversation challenges that build confidence.
Challenge 1, the 2-minute monologue. Speak about one topic for 2 full minutes without stopping.
Topics: your hometown, your job, your hobbies, your favorite food, your biggest dream.
Time yourself. Can you fill 2 minutes? Can you fill 3?
Challenge 2, quick-fire Q&A. Ask yourself 10 questions and answer each in under 5 seconds.
Favorite color? Blue. Last movie? Spider-Man. Dream job? Teacher.
Speed matters. Train your brain to access English answers quickly.
Challenge 3, describe a random object for 1 minute.
Look around, pick any object, describe it in detail without stopping.
This is a lamp. It's made of metal and glass. The shade is white. It provides light for reading.
This builds descriptive vocabulary and eliminates pauses.
Let's share what happened when we did 10 minutes daily for a month.
My response time improved dramatically. Questions that used to take 5 seconds to answer now get instant responses.
My confidence grew. I stopped being terrified of real conversations because I'd practiced so much.
My English started flowing instead of coming out word by word.
The compound effect of daily practice is real.
Let's give troubleshooting advice for common problems.
Problem: I run out of things to say after 30 seconds.
Solution: use the 5 W's plus H method. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Answer all 6 aspects of any topic.
Problem: I make too many grammar mistakes.
Solution: focus on fluency first, accuracy later. It's better to speak with mistakes than not speak at all.
Problem: I feel stupid talking to myself.
Solution: everyone feels that way initially. Remember, athletes talk to themselves, actors rehearse alone. This is practice.
Problem: I forget words mid-sentence.
Solution: use circumlocution. Describe the word you forgot, the thing you cut with, instead of knife.
Final encouragement: conversation skill only improves through practice.
You can't study your way to conversation fluency. You must actually practice speaking.
10 minutes daily is better than 1 hour weekly. Consistency builds confidence.
All right, everyone. Do your first 10-minute conversation practice right now.
Use our structure or create your own. Just speak English for 10 full minutes.
Comment below which conversation challenge you tried.
See you in the next video.
Keep talking, keep improving.